A prototype plays a crucial role throughout the entire project lifecycle. In the concept and initiation phase, ideas are still vague, and stakeholders may have different visions of what the final product should look like. Here, a low-fidelity prototype, such as hand-drawn sketches or simple wireframes, can serve as a shared visual reference. It helps the team clarify goals, explore possibilities, and align expectations before moving forward. This early prototyping step reduces the risk of misunderstandings and ensures that everyone starts the project on the same page. In the requirements gathering and analysis phase, prototypes are used to validate user needs. Rather than relying solely on written requirements, a clickable or visual prototype allows users and stakeholders to interact with a rough version of the product. This helps identify missing features, unnecessary complexity, or misinterpretations early on. Prototypes act as a living form of documentation, making requirements clearer and reducing the risk of costly changes later. During the design phase, the prototype evolves into a more refined version that resembles the final product. High-fidelity prototypes, such as interactive UI screens or realistic 3D product models, are developed to simulate the look, feel, and behavior of the system. Designers use these to test user experience, gather feedback, and experiment with different layouts or components. Design teams often iterate rapidly through multiple prototypes to fine-tune interactions and visual elements before development begins. In the development phase, the prototype serves as a blueprint for developers. It guides the technical implementation by clearly showing how the product should behave. While coding is in progress, developers may continue referring to the prototype to confirm feature requirements and user flow. Sometimes, the prototype itself can evolve into part of the actual product if built using tools that support conversion to real code, which is pretty common in web and mobile app development. During the testing phase, prototypes play another important role. Usability testing is often done with near-final prototypes to observe how users interact with the product before full release. This allows teams to catch usability issues or user frustrations early, which may not be discovered through automated testing alone. Testing with prototypes also enables feedback loops to remain active. Bugs, errors, or user concerns can be addressed quickly before they become major issues in the final product. In the deployment or launch phase, the prototype helps with training, marketing, and stakeholder communication. For instance, a prototype can be used in demos to show how the final product works, helping sales teams, support staff, or end users become familiar with the product ahead of time. Since the prototype is often a near-real version of the product, it can ease the transition between development and real-world use. In the maintenance and support phase, prototypes can assist in planning future enhancements. When users request new features or changes, teams might create updated prototypes to test those changes before altering the live product. Prototyping continues to be useful for validating upgrades, extensions, or improvements during the ongoing lifecycle of the product, ensuring the quality and consistency of future versions. Overall, prototyping is not just a one-time task at the beginning of a project. It is an ongoing activity that supports every stage of the project lifecycle. From aligning ideas during initiation to supporting improvements during maintenance, prototypes help teams build the right product in the right way for the right users. They reduce misunderstandings, encourage collaboration, and enable better decision-making throughout the development journey.